Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a movement or a progression of movements that will just help you really enjoy your life and keep you able as you move through the years, the decades, the centuries. All I'm saying is this is a movement that you can do that will serve you well throughout your life if you're able to do it. And it's really simple. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna hang out on the beach. How you doing? So we're gonna get used to being on the floor and work on transitions from getting to here to standing. But before we do that, we're gonna get from here just to our knees, right? So we're hanging out on the beach and you pick yourself up and you just wanna slide this knee underneath you. It's like a Turkish get-up, if you will. And then you put it back down. Just doing this, matter of fact, if you did this for like, say, 20 reps, you would be amazed at what these muscles do. And you would be amazed at how effective this is at strengthening these muscles to do what they do. Which means is, as you get older, if this gets easy, well, gosh dog, a lot of things get easy. But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. So we're just gonna get the knee to the hand. We're gonna get good at that. Spend some time doing it. All right, so say you get good at that, great. Well, now let's be fancy with it. Let's pick ourselves up really, so we can drag it if we need to, but let's use more strength once we're able. So we move where we can, we use what we can. And then we stick it back, give it a little touch, which that lengthening that lever, you'll feel more in your obliques here too. So we give a touch, come back, touch. If you do 20 of these, you'll be amazed at what these muscles do and how they feel. So that could be level 2. We could go to level 3, where now we could just come to stand, be a big hip hinge, fold, come back down, undo it. And if you really wanted to add more oomph to this, control every facet of it. Can you do it slow? Can you push through the balls of your feet? Really light up those hamstrings as you come up? Can you get a big giant hinge? Gently place your weight on your hand, undo it. So you could do that. Or you could say, I don't want to go that way. I want to go coming at you. I want to go towards you. So could I pick myself up, transition to a big lunge, come up, step out of it? And then could I undo it? So how many ways can you go from, hey, how you doing, to here? Then how much control can you have over it? Can you go super duper slow? So you just explore all these ways, and it's all in this, it's the same movement, it's just different variations of the movement. And then can you evade capture? You're hanging out on the beach, frisbee's coming, you gotta get up and catch it. And then you throw it back and you're like, man, that was fun. And then, hey. So I know it's silly, but getting good at this, it'll make your life better, because the easier and the more options you have getting up and down from the ground, this is where strength started, and this is where you keep it, and this is where it can end. But the more options you have, and the easier it is to move your body up and down from the ground, well, the better life you can enjoy. It just gives you more options. The more options you have, the better off you are. All right, that's our simple tip this week. We're going from hanging out on the beach to getting ready for action. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.